Alrighty, so my name is Samantha Puente, and this is my differentiated lesson plan presentation. So let's go ahead and get started. Here are my TEKS. The student develops word structure knowledge through phonological awareness, print concepts, phonics, and morphology to communicate, decode, and spell. The student will be identifying and producing rhyming words. Excuse me, here's my ELPS. The student will create a drawing that depicts their sentence. The student will write a sentence based on the rhyming words they chose from the activity. The student will listen and remain engaged during the class discussion and read aloud. Excuse me. The student will collaborate as a group to complete the activity and have a class discussion. Here are my materials. So I included the link that we use for this lesson. It's a Jack Hartman video over rhyming words. And then here's the book I will use. There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed a Fly. Picture cards will be included, markers, crayons, pencils, paper. And then I included examples of differentiated learning. So my lesson includes different elements for learning opportunities, such as a rhyming video, so it's part of a technological element, reading literacy element, so There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed a Fly book. There's visuals, picture cards, drawings, and anchor charts. Writing literacy element would include their sentences that they write. I'm allowing collaboration, so students are working in groups for the picture card activity. And then individual work, students complete the writing activity alone. Excuse me. And then here is the lesson plan. I just chose to use the Madeline Hunter lesson plan just because I like the way it's laid out. So here I have my TEKS again, I have my materials, I have the anticipatory set, so the teacher will begin the lesson by asking what they know about rhyming words, just get a little background information, and then that's when I'll play the Jack Hartman video. And then we'll discuss how rhyming words are words or phrases that end in the same sounds. And I will then read There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed a Fly book. Excuse me. And then I will show the class an anchor chart titled Rhyming Words. And so I'll ask students to give me words that they noticed rhymed in the story. And then I will divide them into groups, and each group will get a set of picture cards. And I'll model the activity by completing an example. So basically they're matching cards that rhyme, picture cards that rhyme. So an example would be a picture of a fly and a picture of an eye. So those would be a match. And then the teacher, to check for understanding, I would walk around the room and ask students questions such as, how do you know these words rhyme? What else rhymes with fly? Just different things like that, just to make sure that they're understanding the lesson. And then I'll also check to see if they chose words that rhyme for their sentences that they're going to write after. And guided practice, again, they're going to be completing the rhyming word picture card activity. And then they'll work individually to pick a set of the rhyming words from the cards, and they'll write a sentence and draw a picture for it. And then to close it out, the teacher in the class will have a discussion on what words they found rhymed, and the teacher will call on students to share examples of words that rhyme and what sentences they came up with. And that is my lesson. Thank you so much.